Cao Bang Loop. Last night we did decide to stay in this homestay, and would you remember the name? Oh, there it is. Namok.
Namok homestay. It's got a couple of private rooms, although
they're over there.
Stay at your own peril, because apparently they've got a bit of like a problem with bugs. So, but the dorm was actually okay.
Yeah, it was our first time staying in a dorm, but it was fine because it was only another couple that we actually met in Cao Bang City at a restaurant, so it was actually quite cool.
So.
And it's a lot of space in there. So this is the area. Okay. So we've had dinner and breakfast. It's in actually such a nice little setting. There's flowers everywhere. It's gorgeous little seating areas. It's beautiful. There's about 8 dogs as well. Maybe more, to be honest. You've got him. Hello, this is Sam. Look at his little paws. Oh my god, you are the cutest. So that's Sam. Reese is just strapping the bags up on the bike, and we're going to be going to Ban Gioc Waterfall today. Bye bye. Yeah.
Going with us. Saying bye bye.
Seeing us off.
We're going this way, matey. Bye bye.
Oh, this is so hot. A construction in this area. We're getting closer to China. I don't know if you can see this in the corner. Like there's a local market. This is. Oh, they're swimming up there. Absolutely stunning spot. We are going to go try and find a viewpoint. It's about 1 kilometre away, and then we're going to swim. But again, it's like a beautiful spot, but there's always rubbish. Such a shame, but it's the world we live in. Like a grave.
Hello. This is not an easy walk up, but the view is going to be incredible. I think we're about halfway up, maybe.
What a view. So we've worked out. Hi, Reese.
Hello.
That road that you see running along there in front of the mountain is the national highway, and then we think it's that one set of mountain, and then just behind that is China. I think there's actually a checkpoint through that middle bit there. There's a little gate thing, so we think that is China from looking at the map, which is pretty cool. China. I knew you were going to do that.
Woo. This looks like a painting. If you ever need an excuse to do the Cao Bang Loop, this is it.
At every point.
This is incredible.
Now let's try and make it down without breaking my neck.
This is what you're dealing with. This is what the kind of walk is like if you do come up here. A little bit scrambly. It actually took us about 10-15 minutes to get to that viewpoint, and then we tried to go higher, but it seems really overgrown, so we think that that is the viewpoint. Time to go for a swim. Like a mountain goat. Yet again, the Vietnamese people fail to disappoint. Dead friendly, giving us all the directions. So if you get here and you get a bit lost, just ask the locals. And now we're just walking through the village. Let's go and find where we go and swim.
Can't wait, I'm so hot.
Whew, yeah, it's like
It's
mid.
actually a Vietnamese heat wave at the moment, so even the locals are really hot.
Yeah, it's like mid 30s. Very, very, very hot. There we go, here we are.
That's hilarious.
Oh my god, this is well cool. Wow. Let's go for it.
I'm trying to get in.
Let's get in. Give us a wave.
That literally makes you feel incredible. We've just been swimming in here with the locals and the ducks.
Feel amazing. Literally feel incredible.
It's like so cold. It's perfect. Careful! It's so slippy.
We think it's, well, it is, it's a natural spring which is coming out from over there and then it flowing this way. It's just absolutely beautiful.
Such a good little spot. And if you just look where we are, you've got the local village here. Be careful. We've got the local village. They're also friendly. And all the children have been swimming in here, and some of the adults. Someone is washing their motorbike down there, and there's ducks just swimming around. How cool is this? Stopped in this little village to get a drink, so we were very dehydrated. Duckies having a bath.
Get one made of straw though, because that one's like polystyrene.
Friend. 10,000 friend à?
10.
Maybe one of them.
Đây, cái này. Đây là con miếng này mà.
You gonna get one? Get one.
It's too flat. So we're at the waterfall, and up there is China. You can see the flag.
So one side of the river's China, one side is Vietnam.
Yeah. We're gonna get in it. Woohoo! It was 40,000 each to enter. Not bad.
£1.20.
Very cheap for the biggest waterfall in Asia.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
That's cool.
Oh, I'm so excited. We've seen it from the road, and it honestly looks unbelievable. Oh, oh my god! Look at that!
Whoa!
Jesus!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I've never seen anything like this before.
I've seen Niagara Falls, that's it.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Wow. This might just be the most incredible thing I've ever seen with my own eyes. What the hell? So that part is China. This is Vietnam. Vietnam, China. Oh my god. You can actually feel bits of the water from here.
The entire thing is 300 meters long, wide. That bit being 50 meters wide, and that's on the China side, and it's about 35 meters tall. This is so impressive.
This is unbelievable.
Wow. And you can get on these boat things as well. Go for a little boat trip. Be cool. Hello, China.
This is literally out of this world. can get a boat. Wow.
Does it swell? Woo! Look at the scale of that thing. Now that's what you call a power shower. Yeehaw!
This doesn't actually feel real at all.
It is cool.
This is insane. Look how big it is.
What a beautiful part of the world this is.
Oh my god.
Woohoo!
I can't believe we are here.
Jess loves a waterfall as well, by the way.
Yeah, this is my favourite thing ever. I absolutely love them. Doesn't feel real. They just look like AI. Maybe it is.
Maybe. It's a simulation.
Yeah. If you come at the right time, you'll get a private little rafting.
Wait until everyone's gone and then yeah, you get your own one.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Very dehydrated.
Hello China.
Hello China.
Hello Vietnam.
We're celebrities!
That's so funny, they all take videos and pictures of you. They literally do it to any Western white people, I think.
Yeah.
So we've heard anyway. This is incredible!
It's fucking sick!
I'm getting wet!
Oh my god!
It's getting wet! Oh my god! I think he might be taking us to China. Look, there's China! Oh my god! Hello China! There's Vietnam. And this is China right here. We're in China, baby!
Hello China!
I literally cannot get over this view. This waterfall is the best thing I've ever seen.
After the waterfall, there is something which is like a 4-minute drive away called Phat Tich Pagoda. And that's where we've come to next. And it's got an incredible view from the top. Look at that. There is just good view after good view, isn't there?
See the waterfall from here.
Oh yeah, and you can even see the waterfall, wow.
This is actually a sacred, holy place for the Buddhas.
There you go, so we're going to have a little walk around here and then it's going to be time to go and find somewhere to stay because we've got nothing booked yet. And we'll let you know where our next homestay is. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. This feels so crazy that we're literally looking at that view and then you've got Asia's biggest waterfall there and then China right behind it. This is really cool. Looks like there is like a little path you can walk on the top of the waterfalls. Oh, before we forget as well, this is free. The waterfall cost 40,000 dong each to get in. It's about £1.10p each. And then to go on that little boat ride we went on was 50,000 each. So the whole experience was 180,000 dong, which was £5 Great British pounds. This is definitely worth a visit after the waterfall, or before. It's right next to it. Yet again, the Vietnamese people fail to disappoint. We just met. Fail to disappoint? Is that
Oh
right?
yeah. Sorry.
So we just met Frank, who sat next to us. He's actually an easy rider. He's got a guest with him. Tour guide. And we just sat here asking if he knows anywhere to stay near here, and he said, I wouldn't recommend anywhere near here. I'd recommend somewhere called Phong Nam Station.
Oh no!
No rooms? Oh, well, thank you for asking. So there we go. He even phoned up.
We save a trip.
And asked.
Yeah, at least we
saves
can
us
try
a trip.
find somewhere else.
Yeah.
There's actually another homestay close to there.
Okay. Good job we checked.
Yeah.
So maybe you can check out this one.
Let's check.
I'm not
Let's
sure,
check another one.
because I just-
So you probably got that. He phoned up the accommodation for us, which is half an hour away, and asked if there was any private rooms. Thank God he did, because it just saved us a drive, because there's nowhere to stay or no availability there.
One single bed in a dormitory.
Yeah, but we might see if we can get it tomorrow night. We'll see. See what we get up to tomorrow, where we get to. We found somewhere to stay. Didn't take long actually. It was literally 5 minutes away, and it's called Lan Rung Homestay. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually really nice. We've got this really nice view from the window. We can go swimming in the river, which is just outside. They've got a little restaurant. This is the room. This is the bathroom.
I'm washing my socks.
And this is costing us 700,000 dong for the night, which is about £19.
This is the homestay. And this is where we're having dinner. So they've set out some tables. That's our room over there. That one. And then the view. Oop. We've got the water, river, mountains, farming, feast. Come on, duck in
Into
there.
this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Come on. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Looks good.
Thank
Gone
you.
for roast duck, spring rolls, vegetables, rice.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
He is hungry.
Very hungry. Should we have a spring roll first?
Yeah. Good. Pork.
I think so.
It's a traditional pork spring roll. Nice.